Good morning, good morning, good morning. And I hope your morning is as good as this. They give some rain and lightning coming in tomorrow, I think. So we're off out to make the most of this. So we're going to go and do a loop of Exmoor. That's myself, Steve, and Mr. Ice Diddy again. So today is the bank holiday Monday. We had a good live stream last night. Joe was away, he's up north. It's a snazzy taxi, isn't it? We fired up the My Route app again. Hopefully that will behave. Do you know what? It is hot already. It is 8:10 in the morning and we are already at 20 degrees. Now hopefully when we get within range it should just automatically pair to Steve. Hello! I can hear you. You just got here? Nah, it's only 20 past now, isn't it? All these mad fools been at the gym this time of the morning.
Yeah, I should be going out and having a breakfast. Park up where we normally park.
No E5 still. We're going to use all this today.
Oh, crikey, yeah. Yeah, it ain't going to stay in the tank for long, is it?
Nah. Okay.
I said, mind the tractor behind you.
Ditch pump. I said to her, I thought you'd have been out the front in your bikini in a deck chair with an ice cream. She said, I'd rather stick needles in my eyes.
Oh, I thought he was going to connect to your screen then.
And as you can hear, viewers, you can hear this weak, puny rumble in the background of, I think they call them Hondas. It's not the mighty clank and clunk of a ditch pump. Right, see if we can get killed pulling out of here now. They come in here at a great rate of knots.
Right, oh, gears.
Yeah, put it in gear, always helps.
Help on it.
You are clear.
Thank you, sir. I'm out.
Cool.
Why, hello. Look at it, fucking on the Jazz. Had to be a fucking Jazz. Oh no, it's a Civic. I take it back. I take it all back.
Directly started.
Oh, I've got a farm vehicle. I'm coming through.
Yeah.
Big car, little wiener.
I've got my donor card, you can borrow it, Nige.
Medical science wants mine. How has he stayed alive so fucking long?
Is that one up ahead, Nige?
Yes. Fucking things. See, people think we joke about how many of these bastard things are down here.
They are everywhere.
You're having it.
Oh, look at him, look.
Car coming.
Right, they just put it in reverse.
Car coming. It's a fucking Jazz. Right, you're clear after that car. There is nothing coming whatsoever, even though you can't see. Trust me. You are clear at the minute. If you want to get past him, you can. There is a tractor coming now with up where I am. I can't read or write, but I can drive a tractor. I've got you a can of Coke in the top box as well, Nick.
Oh, bless you.
When we stop, we can put it in yours, and then if the fucker does explode, it will spray everywhere in yours, not mine. I've had that before.
Have you?
Yeah, bloody thing.
He just doesn't want to pay 21 quid again for Coke.
No, exactly.
No, I fucking ain't.
They'll be the last words out of his dying body. 21 fucking pounds.
Yeah, that's £21, sir. Any objections if I punch you in the face? You bastard. Are we going to get a nod? Yes. Oh, look at that. Yeah, see, he was nearly
He put
hanging
some
off
effort
the
into that,
bike.
didn't he?
Gee.
Yeah, but he wasn't a GS wanker, was he?
Did you see Ron's photo in the group chat?
He's either got a sense of humour or he's absolutely
A wanker.
not self-aware.
Oh, he is that genuine GS wanker.
Yeah.
God, you know, since I've had that cataract done, everything is so fucking bright.
Is it?
There's no reason at some stage you can't go in front. You've all got a map.
Oh yeah, there's a...
It's not right, but you've all got a map. And then we can get
So-
you on camera.
Which camera's footage are you going to delete today?
Oh, what a fucking... Do you know how I did that?
No.
I plugged the camera in with the SD card in,
Yeah.
transferring across to OneDrive. Then I took the SD card out of the 360 and I put the SD card in a flash drive.
Reader. Yeah.
Hello. And plug that in, so I was transferring two lots of files across to two separate two separate files, separate folders. So
So you were multitasking.
yeah, so one of them finished, so finished copying them across. I thought, right, I can clear that SD card now. So I started deleting them, and it was because of how much data there is, it doesn't just delete in one go, does it? It
No.
sort of deletes it bit by bit by bit. So, and then I looked at the time, fuck, wrong card.
Oh dear.
I deleted the one that was still transferring, so it had only transferred a few files.
See, quite often I won't delete anything until I've finished the edit or...
Yeah, I don't think I will be in the future.
My car play's still back at the petrol station.
What?
The car play still says I'm back at the petrol station,
does it?
but it's saying 1.4 miles till I turn left, but I'm on a different road.
So your car play's frozen.
It's frozen, yeah.
Your phone's alright though, is it?
Apparently, yeah. I've got it in my tank bag and it's got a bloody great plastic cross over it. I can't really see it.
Excellent.
Yeah. Unfortunately, the clear cover is only the size of a sat nav, not for a phone.
Oh, right, yeah.
Before you take, when we get to breakfast, before you take your gloves off, will one of you just poke my piles back in?
Well, to be fair, Steve, he has given you a test mount and a DJI mount today, so...
I believe it was a Chelsea mount of a genuine DJI mount.
Yeah, and you're only borrowing the you're only
Oh
borrowing
yes,
the
I will
Telesin,
poke
mate.
your piles back up your ass, but I'm keeping my gloves on.
The pile driver.
not hungry anymore.
I come out for a bit of peace and quiet today.
Yeah, I bet you won't be ordering a bunch of grapes. Aye. Hey, I work for Uncle Sam.
Stop, thieves!
See,
I mean,
this is how weird Somerset people are. They run round with a fucking great big ball on their shoulder.
yeah, carrying the burden.
They think they're that Greek god, then they were fucking the earth with the globe on his shoulder.
They've been training for the Civil War.
I got my long-haired German Shepherd from here. There's a bungalow up over here.
Right.
And he's a dog handler for the police. And he bred his own dog to have one of the puppies as his next police dog. Did they nod?
No.
I don't know. I was didn't really notice them. I was concentrating.
It's terrible that is when you need a good shit. Fuck me, I thought I shot Mount Etna yesterday. Fucking hell.
Did you have to get Dino Rod out? Again.
He's gone quiet at the back. Has he fallen asleep?
No, I'm just fiddling.
Oh, rolling the cigarette.
Oh, Smoky Joe.
I've just reached into my compartment.
See, if I do a little montage from the back camera showing YouTube, I can put that music from the Italian Job. We are the Self-Preservation Society. Get a YouTube strike.
Yeah. Oh, that's right. A lot of the copyrights are... well, all the ones I've got are copyrighted, but the owner allows the use of it.
Yeah.
So as long as you don't try and monetize it, I'm sure you're alright.
I would never monetize even if I had fucking thousands and thousands.
No.
Every class is working again, isn't it?
Yeah, well, you got to
That's the
declare it
problem.
all then, didn't you, and fuck around like that. Shall we?
Yeah.
Car coming. Pigeon, Steve, pigeon!
Oh, I missed him.
Not yet, you haven't.
See now, Steve, when you go on tour with Motorrev, they'll be going, Church Piggy, Pigeon Steve!
Probably will.
Steak pie! Look at that, National Steak Pie Champions 1998.
Excellent. And 96.
Imagine going in there, could I have one of your 1998 pies, please? Honda Jazzler. DD care.
See, I need the graffiti ice in front of that. Ice DD care.
He's got bloody good eyes, hasn't he?
I tell you what. Look at him, look. Getting queer because I jumped him.
Room for a little.
Listen, you two go ahead and wind him up so he turns into a roadblock.
Yeah, he
Slap the brakes on in a minute.
He'll brake check Steve now. Not far now for brekkie.
No.
That's safety sign over there, yeah, isn't it?
And we get there and it says closed.
Yeah, exactly. Oh well, you got a can of Coke.
Yeah.
Stay there, Mr. Land Rover.
Got a little toll profit.
Yeah, it looks like
It
one.
used to be non-habitated anymore.
What you think about that? What you think about anything? What you think about you? What you think about me? What you think about that? What you think about that? What you think about anything? What you think about you? What you think about me? What you think about that? I get so sick and tired of faking all the
Right, camera's going off. Time for brekkie, folks.
Yes, tatty bye. Cacophony of DJIs going off.